If you need to remove a payment method from your account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in a menu. Step 3. Find payment methods. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods Billing or something similar. Click on this option to view saved payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as Remove, Delete, or a trash can icon. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the removal of the payment method. Review the information and confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully remove a payment method from your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.